Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today I've got some electrifying news for those hunting lightning-fast VPS servers without emptying their wallets. And if you're part of the 133 tech community, this one's tailored just for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Fire up your Chrome browser. Navigate to the Toto Real website. Step 2. On the homepage, mobile users tap the hamburger icon, while laptop users find the menus conveniently at the top. Click on the Internet menu. Step 3. Scroll down on the next page to find the premium server links. Click on it to explore available options. Step 4. Choose from a variety of free VPS servers located worldwide. Don't forget to double-check the expiry date. Click Create Server. Step 5. Once your server is selected, create it and follow the on-screen instructions. Within moments, your server will be up and running. Copy the details for future use. Step 6. Unsure how to maximize these servers? Head over to my YouTube channel for tutorials on leveraging VPS to its fullest potential. And there you have it, folks. Free premium VPS servers at your fingertips. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, happy browsing!